Hey guys, if your Xfinity modem is not turning on and you are looking for quick solutions, then watch this video until the end. Here I have created this table for you with the simple steps that you can follow to solve the issue. Number 1. Verify power supply. For that, check power connections. Confirm the modem's power cord is firmly connected to both modem and a working electrical outlet. Also test the outlet by plugging another device into the same outlet to verify it is operational. Moreover, you must inspect power cord and adapter. Look for visible damages like frayed cables or bent prongs. Replace the cord or adapter if they are damaged. Test a different power outlet. Relocate the modem by plugging the modem into a different outlet. Also make sure that the new outlet is working by plugging in some other device. Perform a power cycle. To do that, you must unplug the modem's power cord from the outlet. Then wait for 60 seconds. After that, plug it back in. Then check for indicator lights. Observe if the modem powers on and the lights illuminate. Number 4. Check for external factors. Determine if there were any power surges or outages in your area. Also inspect the modem for overheating. Ensure it is not in a confined space or exposed to higher temperatures. Number 5. Inspect modem indicators. Observe for the lights. Check if any lights on the modem turn on. If there are no lights, it indicates power is not reaching the modem. Number 6. Contact Xfinity support. To do that, call Xfinity customer support to report the issue. You can request remote diagnostics or also a technician visit. If the modem is under warranty or leased from Xfinity, you can also ask for a replacement. That's it guys. Thank you.